This is not a test. A tornado has formed across the United States of America. The tornado's physical appearance is described as a very strong tornado, and is bigger than an EF5. It also has a bright red color. The tornado is capable of doing severe damage to a well-built building. It also goes at an alarming high speed which no human is able to outrun. Fortunately, there are ways of predicting if the tornado is coming. If you notice any of these signs, find shelter immediately. If the sky turns red, seek shelter. If you hear things falling over, seek shelter. If you see flying debris, seek shelter. This photo is a sighting of how the said tornado looks like. The tornado can tear apart anything from about a mile away. You will not survive. May God save you all.